I made over £2,000 in the last 30 days. For the last 30 days, I let AI take control of my YouTube channel and tried as a complete beginner. The results are absolutely insane. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how I did it, so you can try yourself. YouTube automation using AI is like having a secret money-making machine. I handed over the reins to AI to handle everything, from creating epic content to optimizing it, all the way to engagement and cash flow. It's like having a squad of digital geniuses hustling for you 24/7. First, I asked ChatGPT what is the perfect niche. It has to be high search, low competition, easy to create, because I'm found animated storytelling YouTube channel where everything has been done by AI, script, voiceover, and video edit. First, I get the script, ChatGPT, and create similar titles to the ones I've found before. In this situation, how to sell anything to anyone short story. The script is ready. Then voiceover in person, I used Android app called T2s. But you can use AI-generated voiceover through Descript. Descript offers an AI-powered voiceover feature called Overdub that allows you to generate realistic voiceovers using AI technology. Resemble AI. Resemble AI provides a platform for generating voiceover using AI. You can customize the voice, tone, and style to match your desired audio, or Google Cloud Text-to-Speech. Google Cloud's Text-to-Speech API allows you to convert written text into lifelike speech using AI-generated voices. It was time to do some edits. Editing videos used to be a pain in the you-know-where, but AI changed the game, my peeps. I got my hands on some next-level AI-powered video editing tools. They transformed my footage into cinematic masterpieces with sick transitions. Captions that pop and effects that had my audience glued to the screen.
Wow.
It's like I had a personal editing wizard on my team. The app is called Lumen 5. Lumen 5 is an AI-powered video creation platform that transforms written content into engaging videos. It offers automated video editing, scene suggestions, and customizable templates. Video was done. Now I use TubeBuddy extension, completely free by the way, to set up SEO. Now the most important key was consistency. I posted 2 videos a day, in the morning and evening time, for 15 days. After that, I checked some stats and start posting 3 times a day, 1 in the morning, 2 in the evening. And after 30 days, I'm very happy with the results and I will keep doing.